Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. This video I'm going to be showing you how to solve your problems with your OneDrive storage being full. And, well, it should be simple, but what you need to do is head over here to your Windows, desktop, and then to find OneDrive, you head over here to the show hidden icons. If it's not, you should see this OneDrive icon, which looks like a cloud. So if you see it, just click on it. Right click on it, then head over to settings, and if like here with the problem that you're probably facing now, your storage would probably be full, and I have some tips for that. What you can do is first you can upgrade. What it does is that it adds more storage to your account. It's quite similar to how Google Drive works. It's just that the difference is that OneDrive is Microsoft and Google Drive is Google. That's really the difference. But the thing is, you get lots from Microsoft. But yeah, I'm not here to help Microsoft sell, but to help you. But that's one tip I can give you. And another is that you can switch an account, because like I said, OneDrive is dependent on an account like Google Drive. So if you use a different account, then the storage, if that other account is new, it could be starting from empty again. If you want to check out your OneDrive files, then you can just access them on the other account. You can do that by adding an account, like clicking on this one here. Alright, and then another thing is you can unlink this PC. And what it does is that it will stop syncing, and the device that you have online will be removed, thus clearing up your storage. That's it. These are some tips that I can help you. But I hear that there's an error message that's really bugging you out. Probably you're not here to worry about your storage. That's just an error message that's just popping up. Well, what you can do is right click on the Windows here, head over to settings, and then here let's head over to apps, install apps, and let's search up OneDrive. What better way to do than to uninstall it by just clicking on this one. That's it. And that is how you can solve your problem with OneDrive storage being full. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.